Good day folks, and welcome to a new Ironman 4x4 vehicle build. Today we're assisting Fitment for Africa, one of our distributors, with kitting out this brand new FJ Cruiser. What we'll be doing today is fitting Ironman 4x4 Foam Cell Pro suspension kit to the vehicle. We're going to fit a second battery under the hood of the vehicle, fitting an Ironman 4x4 40 amp DC to DC charger. To that we're going to be adding a Victron battery monitoring system and a MPPT solar controller as well. And the last thing we'll be doing is we'll be fitting a 12,000 pound synthetic rope Ironman 4x4 winch to the replacement bumper on the front. Now, the FJ Cruiser is my personal favorite four-wheel drive. I had one of these for 4 years and it's a phenomenal vehicle. Unfortunately, or fortunately, whichever way you look at it, I'm married with a youngster now, so if I were a single man with a girlfriend and a fridge full of beer, this would be the ideal vehicle, and well, I may revisit that in future again. In any event, without further ado, let's get the crew stuck into this one.
I've been coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know I'm on. You know when they click through to the system is about to be a so big fun. I've been coming up hot for a minute.